Social media account and private group setup regarding branding in online courses. Setting up social media accounts and private groups is an excellent way to enhance your branding in online courses and build a community around your brand. Here's how to do it effectively. 1. Choose the right platforms. Identify the social media platforms where your target audience spends the most time. Common platforms for online course creators include Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. B. Consider the type of content you'll be sharing and the features of each platform to determine which ones align best with your branding strategy. 2. Create branded profiles. Use your course logo, colors, and fonts consistently across all social media profiles to maintain brand recognition. B. Write a compelling bio that communicates your value proposition and encourages users to engage with your content. 3. Share valuable content. Develop a content strategy that aligns with your branding goals and provides value to your audience. Share educational content, course updates, success stories, and behind-the-scenes glimpses to keep followers engaged. B. Use visual content such as images, videos, and infographics to make your posts more engaging and shareable. 4. Engage with your audience. Respond promptly to comments, messages, and mentions to foster a sense of community and build relationships with your audience. B. Encourage discussions, ask questions, and solicit feedback to keep followers actively engaged with your content. 5. Promote your private group. Use your social media accounts to promote your private group and encourage users to join. Highlight the benefits of joining the group, such as access to exclusive content, community support, and networking opportunities. B. Share testimonials or success stories from current members to showcase the value of the group and entice new members to join. 6. Set up a private group. Choose a platform for your private group, such as Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, or Slack channels, based on your audience preferences and needs. B. Create clear guidelines and rules for the group to ensure a positive and supportive community environment. C. Regularly post content, discussion prompts, and resources to keep members engaged and active in the group. 7. Moderate the group. Monitor the group regularly to ensure that discussions remain on topic and respectful. B. Address any issues or conflicts promptly and enforce the group guidelines consistently to maintain a positive community atmosphere. 8. Promote brand consistency. Ensure that your private group reflects your branding elements, including the group name, description, cover photo, and pinned posts. B. Encourage members to use your branded hashtags or mention your course in their posts to further reinforce your brand presence. By setting up social media accounts and private groups that align with your branding in online courses, you can create a cohesive and engaging experience for your audience, foster a sense of community around your brand, and attract and retain loyal followers and customers.